Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make these potion bottles for your Dungeons and Dragons games with the necessary dice inside. Now I know a lot of people use hot glue to make these so that it looks more liquidy, but I thought this would be a cool way to reuse fabric scraps. And you can see like your little dice inside. So this is a greater healing potion, but you can make these in exactly the same way and just add the necessary dice depending on whether it's a superior healing potion, a normal healing potion, and then you can take it and apply it to other potions. So this is a potion of speed, and I've used black and yellow scraps of fabric because canonically it's a black and yellow potion. So back to this one. This is a jar. It's like a little glass pot, and I got them in Aldi as yogurt pots. Like these came as yogurts and they're 75 cents each, so they're super cheap. And all I did was I just ate the yogurt, which was super yummy, and I washed them out and took off all the labeling, washed them out, and you've got a super sturdy lid that you just pop off. You've got your little dice in the inside. So this one is 4d4 plus 4. So I've got my 4 d4s there, so there's 4 of them. And I'm just going to take it apart right here now and show you exactly what you do. So first of all, you start off with your clean pot. You can put a little ribbon with your label on it so you know which potion is which, and it shows you what dice and what to add to it. So that's halfway done already. So I've just got some yellowy card and written down what type of potion I want. Next I have my scrap of fabric. Now this is a scrap of velvety kind of upholstery fabric, but you can use whatever coloured scraps of fabric apply to your potions. And what you want to do is just shove your fabric in such a way that it makes a little well at the top, or a little seat, so that your dice don't get lost in the middle of the fabric. So you want to kind of make it that it sits up on it. So like that, if you can see that well. And then, because this is a greater healing potion, as I said before, 4d4, pop it in. So you've got them in there. And then you just cap it. And this is, like I said, a really sturdy cap. It doesn't fall off very easily. You have to pull it back to do it that way. And it's a much cheaper way to come up with potion bottles rather than buying official potion bottles online, especially if you're a beginner campaign or you don't have the money to go really big on D&D props. So then what you want to do is, when your character needs healing, you just pop the top and you pour out your dice, and whatever comes out plus 4 is your amount of healing, and that's as simple as that. Ta-da! And then, like, this bottle was an apple juice bottle, and again it has like a sturdy top, and there's no dice necessary on this one. You just follow the label. So it's a potion of speed, so you're hasted for 1 minute after drinking, and it's just a nice fun prop, and it can be a great gift idea for people who like D&D in your friend group. So I'm going to leave this video here. As always, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you want me to add more D&D content to my channel, please let me know, because I am getting a lot more into D&D lately. I'm running my own campaign at the moment. And yeah, just take care of each other, take care of yourselves, stay safe in all this mess if it's still going on, because I am pre-recording a lot of videos. And I have also taken matters into my own hand with my fringe. So bye guys!